Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers. Now this building is 20 floors and it is the tallest building in Kingston. It is a residential building. It's going to have a bit 129 units ranging from one bedroom to three bedrooms, and it will also include penthouse suites. Now, this building is on Waterloo Avenue, just on the outskirts of New Kingston. And as you can see, it's a luxury development. Now, this is actually the second tallest building in Jamaica as of today. The Pinnacle in Montego Bay is the tallest building at 28 floors. So this project is being done by Ripton Construction, and they are actually doing quite a few projects in Kingston. They are building the Nexus Mall and Lady Musgrave Road. They just built a 10-floor building on Hope Road across from Jamaica House, and they are building a 13-floor apartment building on Central Avenue of Constant Spring Road. And though I must say, very impressive, the architectural design of all these projects. We have videos up on all these developments, so you can check them out. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with the Rogers. Now this building should finish sometime in 2026. The Rogers on Waterloo Avenue represents one of Kingston's most modern high-rise residential projects. Rising 20 stories and offering about 129 apartment units, the building stands out for pushing Jamaica toward more vertical, efficient urban development. The units range from one-bedroom to three-bedroom apartments and a penthouse, giving options for professionals, families, and overseas buyers looking for secure, upscale living in the city. Developed by Ripton Contracting, the Rogers combines height with amenities, including a fitness center, pool, secured entry, elevators, and entertainment areas on the mid-floors. Its central location near Halfway Tree places residents close to transportation, schools, corporate offices, and retail services, making it a strategic addition to Kingston's growing metropolitan landscape. Beyond its physical scale, the project signals a shift in how Kingston uses limited land space. As demand for housing grows and urban density increases, high-rise towers like the Rogers introduce a new model for modern city living, one focused on convenience, security, and smart land use. The Rogers stands as an example of Jamaica embracing taller, more efficient residential construction to meet the needs of a changing capital city. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.